Guys, in this tutorial I'll show you how to design a minimalist logo, okay, and it's going to be on your smartphone. Click on this plus at the top left, bring in a text, so click on edit. Okay, let's just write glamour. Okay, make sure it's on uppercase. Okay, uppercase means capital letter, so add padding to it. Follow the steps, guys. Once you are done, just pick a font. Or use this default font. This one that is like this Chinese. Can you see? Click on it. Okay, increasing it. Then go to bold text. Okay, if you want to learn how to use Pixel Lab more, subscribe to this my YouTube channel. Okay, if you are watching this on Facebook, follow the page. Ensure your work is in the center. Then you're okay like this. Copy it. Okay, before you copy it, change the color to black. Just do it the way I'm doing it. Okay, change the color to black, then copy it. Send this one a copy to the center. So follow the tutorial to the end. Merge the two together. Okay, that icon there is to merge. Follow the tutorial so that you learn how to convert this into a 3D logo. So after you have merged it will now turn to an element, so you'll be able to scale it. Okay, copy this one you scale now might be rough if you look at it clearly. Then delete the original one, bring this one in. This one will be sharper. So once you have gotten something like this, okay, place it in the center, copy it. Okay, I won't go to copy too much, just copy it into 3 different places. That's, we have 3 different elements. If you click on the layer panel now, you see them there. Okay, so what you want to do now is you can go ahead and lock them. So once you have got the 3 layers locked up like this, ensure you lock them so that it will not move. Click on the first layer, bring in a shape. Okay, so we want to create some design there. Let's say we want to cover this bottom here. Just use your position key, tap on the center one once, then merge. Just merge one of the black shape with that white shape you just brought in now. Go to erase color, increase the tolerance. Okay, once you are done, bring in a shape. Okay, bring in a shape, change the color of the shape to black, or even if you don't change it to black, just send it out of Pixel Lab. Do as I'm doing. Can you see? I've dragged it out of the Pixel Lab. Then merge it with this first one that you just merged shape with before. We want to make it be in a PNG background. You see now that it has changed to a PNG background and it's different from the others. So lock it. You can go ahead and unlock the second one, or you can either lock it to bring in another shape. You can also hide this first one. Let's say we have worked on it, we want to hide it. Then click on the other one, bring in a shape again. This time, let's say we want to turn it like this and cover small parts. Hope you are following, guys. So this part that I are doing now is different from that first one for another shape. So merge it with the other one now that you want to mask. This process is called masking. Okay, so on the eraser, so once you on the erase color, increase the tolerance. Can you see? So you can go ahead and hide it. Then for this last one, you can either come back and edit that one, or before you continue, bring in a shape again, send it out, merge it with this other part. Can you see? Same thing. You can see now that other one too is on PNG now. So for this other last part, let's bring in a shape. Let's say we want to change that shape now to a right angle triangle, and let's just remove a little section. Okay, so let's just say we want to remove a little section. So just go ahead and merge the two together. You can see that we carried out the same process in all the whole elements, merging and erasing color. And then lastly, we brought in shape to merge to it. When we are bringing in a shape to merge to it at the last point, the main purpose is to enable this our element stand on its own, and when we are changing it to a 3D logo, it will not give us any issue. So click on the first layer. You can go ahead and tweak the work. Okay, if you see that the design is not giving you what you want, click on the second one, change the color. Can you see? Click on the last one, change the color. You can see that the last one is showing. So you can bring in more layers. Okay, as far as I'm concerned and Pixel Lab is concerned, you can bring in more layers like this. All you now need to do is ensure you lock the other two layers that are not showing more. Know the layer that is showing more. Okay, all you now need to do is, you have another tool here. You can either use shape again to carry out this process, but I'm not going to be using a shape again. I'll be using this tool called the eraser. Go ahead and explore more about this eraser. Okay, if you want to know how to use Pixel Lab more properly, we have more tutorials on this my channel. Can you see? Just follow the steps. Increase the brush size to the top left. That's to increase the size of the brush. Then the bottom here is to increase the length of the brush. So all you can do is, you can just mask manually from here. Can you see? Immediately you mask any part, automatically it's going to be updated. Okay, you can just decide to remove all these parts. Okay, and the bottom of this M. And once you are done, just OK it at the top here, and you see the changes. You see the A, there's changes in the A now. Can you see, guys? So this is how you can accomplish it. And you can also go ahead and change the color of the other shapes if you don't like any color. Okay, can you see, guys? So once you are done, go ahead and merge everything together. Once you merge everything together, go to Emboss. Can you see? Go to Emboss, enable it. Can you see? If your work is scattering, just scale it in and out like I just did. So go to that Emboss option again. Check the lighting of the work. Come down, check all the settings properly. Okay, and believe me, guys, you arrive at something more better than this. Okay, reduce the bevel, make it 5 or 6. Okay, leave it like this. So follow the steps, share the video, guys, if you got value from it, and don't forget to hit the bell notification so that once we post more videos like this, you'll be updated. Go back and check the light angle again. Ensure you do it to your taste. Look at it from a client's perspective. On the shadow, reduce the blur, reduce it totally, except if you want to point your shadow to a direction. Otherwise, don't add too much shadow to your design so that you not mar your design. So once you are done, go to 3D shape, enable it, reduce the depth, and OK it. Okay, so once you are done, you can either use this as a minimalist logo or use it as a full logo. So guys, once you are done and you see that the logo is okay, go ahead and before you start changing background, okay, don't change background until you are finished with your design. Can you see? Then click on this icon at the top to save your work. Save as image. Okay, ensure it's on ultra mode. Okay, you can share on social media and the quality will not be reduced. Peace, guys, and share the video.